Hi, I'm Pega, a healthcare data scientist based in Toronto. In this video, I'm going to share the fastest and easiest way to become a data scientist. I've been through a lot of trial and error, and I'm here to help you skip those mistakes. Let's dive into it. With the rapid growth of artificial intelligence over the past years, the barriers to entering the data analytics fields are getting lower. For example, with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, you can simply upload your dataset and ask AI to do the initial analysis without writing a single line of code. But don't get too comfortable just yet. You've probably heard that one of the key technical skills in data analytics is coding. Learning to code is still a game changer. Despite all the AI tools available, like ChatGPT, that can do the work for you. And here is why. When you know how to code, you understand the logic behind the AI's output. This helps in interpreting the results accurately and making informed decisions based on them. Secondly, AI tools can sometimes produce errors or unexpected results. With coding knowledge, you can troubleshoot, debug, and correct these issues, ensuring the accuracy of your analysis. Thirdly, coding isn't just about commands. It's about developing a structured way of thinking. In data analytics projects, you're often faced with complex problems that require innovative solutions. Coding trains your mind to break down these problems into smaller and manageable parts, which improve your critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. The good news for all new learners is that AI tools like ChatGPT or other similar tools can be your personal assistant in your learning journey. Imagine having an expert advisor that provides detailed explanation and in-depth answer to complex questions. It's like having a tutor available 24/7. So AI tool can make learning faster and more efficient by helping you generate code quickly, optimize what you've written, troubleshoot errors, and point you to valuable resources. Before we dive into the skills you need to become a data scientist, I want to talk about one crucial element that makes everything else work. Without it, the rest of the recipe won't be effective. Let's break down my simple recipe for learning anything, and that is an iterative two-step approach. Learning, then use it. This means you start by studying the theory and basics, and then immediately apply what you've learned through coursework projects, real-world projects, or by teaching others, whether through writing blogs or creating YouTube videos. My recommendation for finding real projects to practice your data science skills is to start with Kaggle. Kaggle is a well-known platform that offers datasets, competitions, and a community to practice their skills. Another great website is Omdena. Omdena is a platform where you can work on real-world projects with real people in a collaborative environment. On Omdena, you can select projects that interest you, check the requirements, and submit your resume. Once accepted, you'll work as a part of a team with other accepted participants. It's a fantastic way to gain practical experience. You can also find different courses in data analytics on Omdena and even get certifications. Additionally, if you meet the requirements, there are opportunities to get paid or secure full-time jobs through the platform as well. Now let's expand on what you should be focusing on as a data scientist. There are 4 general areas you should be focusing on: technical skills, analytical skills, soft skills, and domain knowledge. I highly suggest starting with technical skills and then adding other skills like domain knowledge, analytical skills, or soft skills while you are learning a technical skill. For example, if you are learning Python, you could write blog posts about it. This helps you understand Python better and also improves your soft skills such as communication and writing skills. As a data scientist, you'll often work with non-technical teams, such as marketing, sales, or management. Being able to clearly communicate your findings and explain the technical details in an understandable way is crucial for collaboration and ensuring your insights are effectively implemented. For technical skills, the most important ones to learn are programming, a structured query language, business intelligence, and artificial intelligence tool. You don't need to master each of these technical skills to start an entry-level data scientist role. Let's dive into analytical skills. Analytical skills include problem solving, critical thinking, research, and math skills. Let's start with math, since I get many questions about how math-heavy a data science role is. My answer is that if you have a good understanding of statistics, probability, linear algebra, and calculus, you'll be okay. These topics are often covered in high school. I wouldn't worry too much about not having the math skills to get started. Instead, if you encounter something in math you don't know, you can learn and apply it to a project as you go along. I remember when I started working in this field, I chose a dataset from Kaggle about the US accidents. This project was a great way to test my Python skills and problem-solving abilities. For instance, I encountered a bug in my code, and I had to carefully debug my code, checking each line and using print statements to find where things went wrong. This process required patience and logical thinking to identify and fix the issue. Additionally, I needed to apply several new statistical techniques that I wasn't familiar with, which improved my math skills. By doing this project, I not only enhanced my coding and debugging skills, but I also improved my understanding of statistical methods. This experience really showed me the importance of working on actual projects. Now let's talk about domain knowledge. Domain knowledge is the understanding of a specific discipline or field. You don't have to switch industries or domains to become a data scientist. In fact, some of the most successful data scientists are those who apply their newly learned data analysis skills within their current field. So leverage what you already know and enhance it with data skills to stand out. After understanding the importance of domain knowledge, let's switch to soft skills. Communication, teamwork, and creativity are crucial soft skills not just for any data scientist, but for any field. To improve your soft skills, you can use social media to showcase them. LinkedIn is one example where you can write posts or tutorials, or share your code and process on GitHub, or even make short content on Instagram or TikTok. These platforms not only help you work on your technical and soft skills, but also allow you to showcase your experience to potential employers and demonstrate how you interact with others. Remember, this isn't a comprehensive plan. You don't need to learn every single skill mentioned today. Instead, start small with one technical skill, then add another skill, maybe analytical or soft skill, and build a project around it. The key is to keep iterating and improving over time. By gradually expanding your skill set and applying what you've learned to real-world projects, you'll grow into a confident and capable data scientist. Keep learning, stay curious, and enjoy the journey. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.